Hey there, Chris Meyer here. I'm a former doctoral researcher in computer science, author of multiple programming books, and owner of one of the top 25 Python blogs worldwide. And I want to take just a few seconds to share the single most influential coding, studying, and computer science lesson I've ever learned. It was from my old computer science professor who told me about the Agile Manifesto and Kaizen. Kaizen is the Japanese word for continuous improvement, and it has generated not only billions of dollars of profits for companies such as Microsoft, Google, Facebook, and Amazon, but is also the secret of every single codemaster, from Alan Turing to Bill Gates. When you improve a little each day, eventually big things occur. Not tomorrow, not the next day, but eventually a big gain is made. Don't look for the quick, big improvement. Seek the small improvement one day at a time. That's the only way it happens. And when it happens, it lasts. John Wooden. So what should be your goal? Improve your coding skills by just 1%, week after week. This may not seem like much, but through the miracle of compounding, it adds up, fast. Let me illustrate. In 1 year, 52 weeks, you're not 52% better, you're actually 68% better at what you do. In 2 years, you're already 181% better than when you started. In 10 years, you're 70,565% better. How do truly exceptional people get that way? According to the Kaizen Theory, it's less through natural inborn skill, talent, or luck, and more by steady improvement. So if you keep up these 1% improvements every week for 20 years, you're going to be 3,120,433% better than you were when you started out. That's 3,000,000% better as a coder at building and shipping software products, generating value for society and profits for you and your family. And over a 40-year career, you can become astronomically successful and talented, pretty much untouchable as Bill Gates, Alan Turing, Donald Knuth became, by leveraging this basic principle. Because in 40 years of constant incremental improvements, you'll find your skills have improved 79,377,241,444% over where you were when you started. All from a tiny improvement of 1% every week. Why am I telling you this? Simple. Because my Coffee Break Python free daily email is designed to help ambitious techies, software developers, computer science students, CTOs, and technical employees get that 1% improvement every week. Leveraging my real-world experience as a Python textbook author, IT consultant, and PhD student researcher. In just 10 minutes per day, you get some of my best content on 7+ Python cheat sheets, the 80-20 principle applied to coding. Learn 80% of the code in 20% of the time. Daily Coffee Break Python email lessons about various topics such as Python basics, data structures, object orientation, data science, as voted by you in a monthly free voting session. Regular Python fun coding contests to help you compare your skills against other coders and keep you motivated. Hundreds of Python code puzzles so that you'll experience small eureka moments on a regular basis. Now listen carefully, because this next part is very important. Who is Coffee Break Python for? These daily emails are not for everybody. I'm looking for serious students of computer science, folks who have already read technical coding books written by code experts, students of the modern masters of coding. If you believe that not all learning is created equal, and studying cheat sheets, solving puzzles, and working on practical projects is the best way of learning, and you're dedicated to continuous improvement, 1% per week or more, in our industry and at our craft, then you should go all in and read your daily Coffee Break Python email. However, do not join me if you're not a fit. If you believe that your years of learning and studying have ended when finishing school or university. If you seek the quick hack to become a codemaster in 20 days, or if you are not committed to improving your coding skills. Because you will end up unsubscribing anyway, so you might as well stop this video now and unsubscribe right now. Still with me? Good. Now open the first email I just sent you. Print the cheat sheet PDF you'll find inside and pin it to your office wall so that you can see it every day. One last thing. Statistically, most of my readers end up buying the book Coffee Break Python. Some immediately, some after a year of continuous improvement in Python. If you belong to the first group, check out the special link with $20 off just below the book, the video. I'm looking forward working with you towards your goal of reaching Python mastery and improving your coding skills by 1% every single week.